Aba bakwatirwa mu cyaro cya Nyamwamba West omuri Nyamwamba Division Kasese Municipality. Bakwasura shaha munana z'ikiro obwo abebembezi babiri nibakora potoro yo kurwanisa obuhenda amateka omu kyanga eki. Mikdad omwe bakwasurwe ebintu byagambere aha nshonga eki.
Kire na matsekawo nerunje nabarabe hamba kuona bamamburambo amahamba kwa mutroyo ambu bana kali muka kana kwe batekawo nero nabalangira bongo bayo mabenga bukacyangaranye mu mizi warangabera namabundie ngene ngakasendaye nero uyitu nenuyi abaranga katwala mwachero.
Abakwasurwe nabamanywa kuba bari abashumarunkunku omu kyanga eki.
One of them, we know him as a real thief. We think he brought it, maybe he was thinking that he will be using it in his safety. So he's a real thief, Mr. Bendela. Please, the officers, the high ranks officers, they should help us.
Abashumaba nibakozesa obuhanga kufera abantu buri mu mibazi rundi nibakozesa hageti za abantu okwiba ebintu bya abantu nibataka muntu afiri hageti nibataho omunju nibatwara ebintu byona.
Kasese is holding 2 suspects on a charge of disturbing the peace of the dead, to which human skull was recovered with them, and these are Wambare Rafael and Bendere Mikdad. If we finish the investigations, we shall take the file to RSA for more guidance.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi omuri Kasese.